So it's overcasting. We're getting ready to have some more rain coming. And it's good to go ahead and pick your cucumbers when they get a little green here, especially the belly. You can see some of these have very small seeds inside. This one is mutated, but this section is still good. So pick your cucumbers so that your plant has some more energy saved up to take care of the new ones that are to come. Because if the plant spend all the time taking care of these and trying to grow the seeds inside for the next seed, the next round, or trying to reproduce, they won't have enough energy to take care of more of these little baby ones. So even this one, that's a lot of cucumber to eat in a few days. So I can pick those, and then I'll maybe pick these after the rain. These even after the rain, but these will have like another day or two to mature. So pick your cucumbers so that the new baby ones have a chance up here to produce more flowers, produce more, because the plant is thinking that it wants to reproduce and it wants to grow the seeds. And if you take away all this energy that it's growing the current seed, the current fruit down there, it's gonna think by saying that, oh my gosh, I have to produce more so I can have more seeds, and then start growing more and more and more. I mean, up to a point, it will exhaust all the energy, but at least it will last a little longer, instead of trying to caring for just one or two fruit, and the vine is done. So as you can see, one single plant, I picked a few cucumbers along here already, and it's continued to giving me more fruit. The more I pick, the plant thinking that it needs to produce more, and it's producing more as it grows taller and vine up higher up into the trellis. So pick your fruit, don't wait too long. Have a great day. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.